Now we got question number 10. The nth term of a sequence is given as n squared positive 7. We have to write the first three terms. Now for that, substitute n is equal to 1 here. So that means you have 1 squared positive 7, which is 1 positive 7, which is 8. Substitute n is equal to 2 here. It's 2 squared positive 7, which is 4 positive 7 is equal to 11. Substitute n is equal to 3 here. That is 3 squared positive 7, which is 9 positive 7 is equal to 16. So therefore, write the final solution. The first three terms of the given sequence. Okay, put a colon there, write the terms 8, 11 and 16. That's the solution for this question. Now you got part B for this. The first four terms of a different sequence given to be as 15, 7, negative 1 and negative 9. We are asked to write the nth term of the sequence. So for that, what you got to do, you subtract 7, negative 15. What do you get? You get negative 8. And then negative 1, negative 7. What do you get? Negative 8. And then negative 9, negative of negative 1. That's negative 9, positive 1, which is negative 8. You see the common difference. This is an AP, so therefore the common difference is constant, negative 8. You can either write it as CD or D, negative 8. Now there is a formula. The nth term is given as A plus n minus 1 into D, right? The A is the first term. So what is the first term here? 15. And don't worry about n. We are actually getting the nth term. So n minus 1. Now what is D? D is negative 8. Substitute that value, negative 8. Now you rearrange and evaluate. So 15, negative 8 times n, negative, negative, positive 8. 8 added with 15 will give you 23. So 23, negative 8n. This is the nth term. Now you can easily check this out. When n is equal to 1, you get 23 minus 8. That's 15. That's the first term. N is equal to 2. 23 minus 16. You get 7. That's the second term. And clearly all other terms will fall in place. So this is the solution for this question.